Hey everybody out there, this is Justin from Appalachian Gun and Pawn. Today we're doing a certification test on the new Browning High Power 9mm all metal full size. So first we're going to do a magazine release check on an unloaded magazine. It's drop free. Next we'll see if the safety engages. It does, and it functions. Now we'll do a dry fire unloaded. We'll check to see the reset. It's audible and tactile. Now we're going to do a 5-round test fire. Lock back, insert mag, load, and fire. As you see, locks back on empty. There it is.